There had been lots of efforts and thoughts as to how to make the best dishes out of fresh ingredients, even in the past time when people had little but air and field. To enjoy fresh vegetables more from winter to spring, Koreans came up with the incredible food kimchi for better nutrition on dinner tables. In winter, kimchi just taken out from a pot. The World Institute of Kimchi was established in order to study kimchi scientifically and to promote the Korean taste world widely. WIKIM is a government-funded research institute created in 2010 as an annex of the Korean Food Research Institute. WIKIM strives for the globalization of kimchi by conducting overall research and development related to kimchi, such as fermentation, distribution, evaluation, technology development, and etc. Wishing that more people could enjoy kimchi, WIKIM has been studying to become the world's top research institute on fermented foods. Kimchi is fermented by various enzymes from ingredients such as cabbages or radishes. Nutritional values may change depending on seasoning ingredients and period of storage. WIKIM is focusing on such changes made during fermentation and studying them thoroughly. Research scientists develop and establish the production system for seed culture, the properties of microorganisms, and the controlling techniques of fermentation in kimchi. Not only they conduct fundamental research and development, but also perform overall R&D on the innovative technology for development of kimchi industry related to manufacturing technique and production in safe ingredients, manufacturing process, storing, supplying, and packaging technology. WIKIM's effort to discover a single Fahrenheit degree and single second that changes the taste of kimchi brings outstanding results. To share its special know-hows accumulated over the years, WIKIM has established the SME Service Department and Hygiene Safety and Analysis Center to support small and medium-sized kimchi businesses. In order to support small and medium kimchi enterprises, WIKIM is providing on-site technical service, management, and marketing supports. We also carry out survey researches on regional quarantine procedures or hygiene standards and provide educational service for kimchi specialists. In order to improve the quality of commercial kimchi, WIKIM also provides analysis service and on-site technical service for small and medium-sized enterprises. Kimchi is not just a side dish on Korean kitchen. It is becoming a representative icon of Korean tradition. WIKIM develops various types of kimchi and kimchi-related foods that could fascinate every people of the world. WIKIM also develops new recipes that could contribute to the globalization of kimchi's taste through the local kimchi-related foods and ingredients. In WIKIM, there is Kimchium, a library which provides all of knowledge about kimchi. All of these facilities contribute to enjoy kimchi more domestically and globally.
WIKIM hosted global events in Italy, Hong Kong, Taiwan, France, Spain, and Peru, and also launched global kimchi conferences to constantly communicate with the world.
World Institute of Kimchi is becoming globalized by promoting kimchi and Korean traditional foods. Through domestic and foreign media promotion and industry supporting events, WIKIM is becoming globalized by advertising kimchi and Korean traditional foods. From integrated researches on functional fermented foods to tourism industry for experience culture of kimchi, Wecom is doing its best to activate consumption of kimchi through new businesses. Wecom is certainly upgrading Korea's prestige through kimchi. Wecom is an institute that creates innovative culture and foods by discovering hidden science in kimchi. For the better taste and style of our traditional fermented food, kimchi. Kimchi's transformation is about to fascinate the taste of the world.